Hollandaise sauce is a cornerstone of French cuisine and is celebrated for its rich, buttery flavor and smooth, creamy texture. This sauce is one of the 5 mother sauces in French culinary tradition, which were popularized in the 19th century by chefs such as Marie-Antoine and, later, Auguste Escoffier. Despite its association with French cuisine, the history of Hollandaise sauce is a culmination of various culinary traditions. The term Hollandaise is French for Dutch, which leads to speculation about the sauce's origins. There are several theories about how this quintessentially French sauce came to be associated with the Netherlands. One theory suggests that the sauce was developed by the Huguenots, French Protestants, who might have brought it back from the Netherlands after seeking refuge there from persecution in France. Another theory suggests that the sauce was created in honor of a state banquet for the King of the Netherlands, further cementing its Dutch association. The earliest recipes that resemble what we now know as Hollandaise sauce can be found in French cookbooks dating back to 1651. However, these early versions were somewhat different from the emulsion of egg yolks, clarified butter, and lemon juice or vinegar that we are familiar with today. Le Cuisinier François was the first publication with recipes from an early form of Hollandaise sauce and a recipe for asparagus and fragrant sauce. Just take it from the Book of Sauces from 1915. There are 4 variations of Hollandaise sauce, some with nutmeg, others with peppercorns, shallots, and bay leaves. Over time, the recipe was refined and popularized, becoming the rich and creamy sauce that is a staple in French cooking and international cuisine. Hollandaise sauce experiences an influx of consumption, particularly around the Easter holiday, because it complements the fresh spring vegetables that are available, such as asparagus. Eggs, as you already might know, are also a popular item during the Easter holiday because of religious beliefs surrounding rebirth and renewal. The sauce's preparation requires careful temperature control to prevent the egg yolks from curdling, making it a test of chef's skill and patience. The striking quality that Hollandaise sauce brings to any brunch or dinner table is its perfect balance of acidity and richness. It's almost a form of alchemy trying to get all the elements just right. It serves as a base for other sauces and is a key component of classic dishes like eggs Benedict and asparagus with Hollandaise. Despite its complex history and the skill required to prepare it, Hollandaise sauce has endured as a beloved feature of culinary traditions around the world, celebrated for its versatility and the luxurious touch it adds to dishes. Its particular association with Easter highlights the seasonal and symbolic dimensions of food traditions, linking culinary practices to the rhythms of nature and cultural celebrations of renewal. Well, there you have it, a quick hit into one of the 5 mother sauces. Thanks for watching. Till next time, my friends, stay saucy.